If one looks at the possibility of these reverse flows, of the reductions in consumption, sadly, because of the war in the East, then Ukraine can find itself in a situation where the gap that it has to fill is not 28 billion cubic meters from Russia, but probably about 15. And the amount that it has in storage is probably around that. You don't want to use all of that for storage. The point is that there are scenarios here that can work, but they require the players in the marketplace, Ukraine, Russia, the European Union, and the surrounding countries, to be able to play by market rules. That is not at all clear. And now is absolutely the critical time to set the ground rules for how that's going to work, not in the middle of winter. Eventually, what we want to see and need to see is an agreement between Russia and Ukraine for the supply of gas that is based on equal terms, not on the basis of contracts with discounts. Today, there is a European market for gas. There are European practices that if you buy the gas, you can trade it. There are basic commercial principles that if you use the gas, you pay for it, and Ukraine has to abide by that. These are the foundations for a marketplace that can work, that can take the situation out of crisis. The challenge for all the players is going to be, can they put these market principles up at the top and beyond the crisis of war? And can these market dimensions be a way to create confidence, or is it all going to have to wait until the war actually comes to some form of settlement?
Well, thank you for, thank you for laying that out so clearly. I think, Ambassador, you asked yourself the most difficult question that I'd just like you to quickly respond to, which is, in describing the unilateral Russian action vis-a-vis Poland and Germany, you asked, is this just a demonstration of Russia's capacity ahead of the winter? So is it? And if that happens in December, what are we going to do about it?
I think that the issue that's really posed is one for the European Union. And the reason that it is dangerous for Russia to pose that question to the European Union is that Europe has taken massive changes in its gas supply and transit system. It still needs Russian gas, but it has put in place 177 billion cubic meters of LNG import capacity. It's built interconnectors across states that allow gas to be traded.